Principle 5. Imagination, the workshop where ideas are born. This is the fifth principle from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, imagination. And before you picture some dreamy Bollywood-style fantasy, let's clarify. Hill is not talking about daydreaming. He is talking about idea generation, the kind of imagination that solves real problems and builds real fortunes. Every major achievement in history started as a tiny mental picture. Somebody imagined something that didn't exist and decided to create it. Take the story of Karsanbhai Patel, the man behind Nirma. He wasn't a billionaire chemist. He was a lab technician with a very simple imagination. What if detergent was cheap enough for every Indian household? That single idea, just imagination, became a brand so powerful that it shook multinational giants. Or look at Sridharan, the metro man of India. Before him, the idea of building efficient, world-class metros in India felt like science fiction. But he imagined a modern system that worked on Indian soil. Our chaos, our crowds, our challenges. His imagination changed the face of public transport in India. Even startups today are built entirely on imagination. Zomato imagined a food ecosystem. Biju's imagined digital learning before it was cool. Ola imagined Indian cabs running on apps when people still struggled with autos refusing rides. Imagination is not fantasy. It is creation. Hill explains two types of imagination. Synthetic imagination, combining existing ideas into new forms. Creative imagination, fresh ideas that come from deep thinking and intuition. Imagination is the mind's workshop where desire takes shape before becoming reality. In summary, imagination turns thought into ideas, ideas into plans, and plans into success. If desire is the fuel, imagination is the steering wheel. Make sure you watch all the 13 videos in this series. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your circles. Thank you.